Why does your scanner show the P0449 engine code? What does it mean? P0449 is a diagnostic trouble code for evaporative emission control system vent valve solenoid circuit malfunction. This code indicates that a malfunction in the evaporative emission control EVAP system's vent valve or solenoid circuit. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty vent valve solenoid. Wiring and connection issues. Blown fuse. Faulty ECM-PCM. Other EVAP system components. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in a variety of vehicles, including those from Chevrolet, Ford, Dodge, Toyota, and Nissan. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.